Hi! Have 5 minutes? I'd love to show you what I got in my paper issues box. In this collection, in this haul rather, I got 2 collections, a little bit of each, so I'm going to go through Heidi Swapp Carefree and then Obed Marshall's Buenos Dias, and I'm going to start with Heidi Swapp. I have this sticker book, which I love because sometimes I'm just looking for one particular thing or one particular color that fits with the collection, so this is going to be perfect. It has some inspirational phrases, and my favorite part is this grunge alpha. I love everything grunge, so this is right up my alley. Next is a tag pack. I've seen a lot of mini tag books online, and this actually already comes with some fiber, so I can already see me doing that. Some ephemera here, you can see on the back everything that's in it, a lot of poem fronds, a lot of phrases, and tabs and tags, and of course rainbows because I'm a sucker for rainbows. Also some charms. I've seen some fun charms on the ends of some mini albums, so I see that in my future. The sticker sheet, the collection is full of soft pinks, muted purples, and teals, which is just a beautiful, soft, and lovely color combination in my opinion. There's the rainbows as well, and this side is entirely full of labels. I love the gold foil. This stamp set is very close to my heart. I don't know why, it just reminds me of just like very grungy alphas, color blocking alphas, so I can't wait to use those. And lastly, I got this beautiful vellum sheet that has rose gold foiling, and it's going to be so soft and lovely. Alright, now we're on to Buenos Dias from Obed Marshall. If you've never heard of this creator, he creates for American Crafts. He is a Spanish-American gentleman, and he is just super down to earth and fun, and I've been following him for a while, and he was super excited to be the creator of the very first English-Spanish bilingual scrapbooking collection. So I'm also excited as well because we're bilingual at home. So to start, I have this stencil pack, and it comes with 3 stencils, which probably will look really, really cool layered together. It has this floral, it has a grid, and then it also has this sort of tile rainbow dotted pattern. Then I have this mini stamp set. I, this past year, have been obsessed with mini stamps. This would be awesome in like a little travel journal or travel album. Then we have this sticker sheet. It has a lot of bilingual phrases. Me encanta, vacaciones, everyday adventures. It's a very travel focused, travel themed. Lots of soft pinks, orange, teal, and blue. And some labels and some phrases down below as well. I couldn't resist these little acrylic pieces. They almost resemble confetti, and I could see them going on a birthday layout or some sort of celebration. You know, Cinco de Mayo is coming up, and I know these are going to come in handy. These are cardstock, thicker phrase titles. And there's just a ton, and what I appreciate is that they're together, they're solid. They're not like the other thicker titles where you have to carefully lift off of the sheet. You might tear it, you might not. You might deform it a little bit. Speaking from personal experience, perhaps. And we have this ephemera pack. It has lots of fun flowers in cards and frames as well. This awesome acetate sheet, this would be great for a birthday party for sure. Lots of confetti, lots of gold, really fun. Number 2 in my obsessions list, chipboard stickers. I don't know why. Actually, it might be because I'm so obsessed with foam adhesive and these are already 3D. Huh, it's a bit of an epiphany there. But I really love the retro feel. It has a retro car, radio, ice cream. I believe this is his jacket. He actually owns this blazer and he's worn it on some lives, which is pretty cute. And lastly, we have the paper pack because I knew I wanted the entire paper pack, and I'm not going to show you all of them, but when I was watching his announcement on Instagram, he was very proud of this collection, saying that he wanted it to be a meld between American culture and Spanish culture. I believe he does live in Spain, but he is Spanish American, and he has Lots of fun cut-aparts, as I mentioned. There's the travel theme. I can already see some beautiful stitching across the stripes. That would be great. Lots of stripes. This one he was mentioning that he put Pop-Tarts next to some Spanish coffee, so it's like American and Spanish. We have some beautiful tiles like you would see in Spain. Similar patterns, pink stars, so the paper is all very layerable and just really cohesive collection, so I'm very excited to own it. And that's it. Thanks so much for sticking around. Looks like we made it at just over 5 minutes, so I hope to see you next time. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!